You are going to love the 2008 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, fog lights, roof rack, braking assist, front stabilizer bar. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.